Good morning class 6. Today we are studying basics of geometrical ideas. So let's begin the topic. This is part 3rd.
In our previous videos we have learned about the terms related to geometrical ideas. Now in this video we will start our exercise 4.1 and apply all those terms. So look over here, our first question, use the figure to name. This figure has been given to us. We have to answer the following question. 5 points. We have to find out 5 points in this figure. A line, 4 rays, 5 line segments. So see, first part, 5 points. How many points you can find out here? Here are 5 points. B, C, D, E and O. So all these are fixed points. A line. You remember the definition of a line? A line, it can be extended towards both sides. So see, if we consider this one, here it is extending, but at point O it is fixed. Similarly, if we consider OB, it is fixed at O, so it is not a line. Similarly, OC, it is fixed at O, but can be extended from C, so it is also not a line. But if we consider DB, so here also it can be extended towards any line and towards here also. So DB is a line. Now move towards the fourth part. 4 rays. OC, OB, OD and OE. It can also be extended. So 5 line segments it is asking. Line segments have both ends fixed. OB, this point is fixed and this point is fixed. OE, this point is fixed and this point is fixed. OD, point are fixed. BE, this point is fixed and this point is fixed. ED, fixed 2 points. See, in our ray we have put the arrows also. That point O is fixed and it will move towards point T. Now look at the second question. Name the lines given in all the possible ways, choosing only 1, 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So see, if first we are considering the left hand side, A, B, AC, AD. In second part we are considering point B, BA. Reverse also we can move and name them, BC, BD. In third we are taking this one, point C, CA, CB, CD. At last we are taking D point, DA, DB and DC. So these are the way we have given names to the line.